Unveiling the Cobra, the most fearsome snake on Earth, incredible facts and survival tactics. Welcome to our exploration of one of the most feared and fascinating creatures on the planet, the Cobra. From its deadly venom to its iconic hood, the Cobra has both captivated and terrified humans for centuries. In today's video, we'll take a deep dive into the world of cobras, uncovering their unique adaptations, hunting techniques, and vital role in maintaining the balance of nature. Let's get started and discover why these serpents are truly kings of the reptile world. Cobras are among the most fascinating and feared snakes in the animal kingdom. With their distinctive hoods, powerful venom, and striking behavior, they have captured the imagination of humans for centuries. In this in-depth exploration, we will dive into the world of cobras, covering their biology, behavior, venomous capabilities, and the roles they play in ecosystems around the world. Introduction to cobras. Cobras belong to the Elapidae family, which includes other venomous snakes like mambas and krites. They are known for their ability to raise the front part of their bodies and spread their hood, a defense mechanism meant to intimidate predators. There are around 30 species of cobra, with the most famous being the Indian cobra, the king cobra, and the spitting cobras of Africa and Asia. While cobras are feared due to their venom, they are not naturally aggressive toward humans and generally try to avoid conflict. However, when threatened, they can become highly dangerous. Anatomy and characteristics. Cobras have evolved several distinct features that make them highly effective predators. The most recognizable characteristic is their hood, which is created by elongated ribs that expand the skin when the cobra feels threatened. The hood serves as a warning to potential threats, making the snake appear larger and more formidable. Cobras vary in size depending on the species. The king cobra, the longest venomous snake in the world, can reach lengths of up to 18 feet, 5.5 meters, while other species like the Indian cobra are typically around 5 to 6 feet, 1.5 to 1.8 meters long. Their slender bodies are perfectly adapted for fast, agile movement, allowing them to strike at prey with remarkable precision. Cobras also have specialized glands that produce venom, which is injected through hollow fangs. Their eyesight is excellent for detecting movement, and they use their forked tongues to sense chemical signals in the environment, helping them locate prey and avoid danger. Venom, a potent weapon. One of the most feared aspects of cobras is their venom. Cobra venom contains neurotoxins, which affect the nervous system of their prey, leading to paralysis and, eventually, death. The potency of cobra venom varies by species, with the king cobra having enough venom in a single bite to kill an elephant or 20 humans. Some species of cobra, such as the spitting cobras, have evolved the ability to spray venom from their fangs. They can aim for the eyes of a threat from up to 6 feet away, causing intense pain and potentially even blindness. Despite their deadly venom, cobras primarily use it to subdue prey such as small mammals, birds, and other reptiles. Behavior and hunting techniques. Cobras are primarily diurnal, meaning they are active during the day, although some species may hunt at night in cooler environments. As carnivorous reptiles, they feed on a variety of small animals, including rodents, frogs, birds, and other snakes. King cobras, in particular, are known for their snake-eating behavior, often preying on other venomous species. Cobras use a combination of stealth and ambush techniques to capture their prey. They will often lie in wait for an unsuspecting animal to come close before striking quickly and delivering a venomous bite. Once bitten, the prey usually succumbs within minutes, allowing the cobra to consume it whole, using its flexible jaws to swallow animals much larger than its head. Cobras also exhibit unique defensive behaviors. When threatened, they rise up, spread their hood, hiss loudly, and sometimes strike with closed mouths as a warning before delivering a venomous bite. Cobra species around the world. While most people are familiar with the Indian cobra or king cobra, cobras are found across Africa, the Middle East, and Southeast Asia, each region home to different species with unique adaptations. Indian cobra Naja naja, this species, is perhaps the most famous due to its iconic role in Indian culture and its highly potent venom. Found throughout the Indian subcontinent, the Indian cobra is often depicted in snake charming performances, although this practice has declined in recent years. King cobra, Ophiophagus hanna. The king cobra is the longest venomous snake in the world and is found in forests throughout Southeast Asia. Unlike other cobras, the king cobra builds nests for its eggs and fiercely guards them until they hatch. Its diet consists primarily of other snakes, including smaller cobras. Spitting cobra. Several species of spitting cobra exist in Africa and Asia. These snakes are famous for their ability to eject venom from their fangs, aiming for the eyes of predators. Their venom causes severe pain and inflammation, often deterring larger animals from attacking. Reproduction and life cycle. Cobras reproduce by laying eggs, with the female typically laying between 10 to 30 eggs at a time. The eggs are deposited in hidden, protected areas, such as burrows or beneath leaf litter, and are left to incubate. However, the king cobra is an exception, as the female builds a nest and actively guards the eggs until they hatch. Incubation periods vary depending on the species and environmental conditions, but typically last between 50 and 70 days. Once the eggs hatch, the young cobras are fully independent and equipped with venom from birth, allowing them to fend for themselves immediately. Cobras reach sexual maturity at around 3 to 4 years of age, and their average lifespan in the wild ranges from 15 to 20 years. In captivity, where they are protected from predators and have regular access to food, cobras may live even longer. Role in the ecosystem. Despite their fearsome reputation, cobras play an essential role in maintaining ecological balance. As apex predators, they help control populations of rodents and other small animals that could otherwise become pests. By keeping these populations in check, cobras indirectly protect crops and reduce the spread of diseases carried by rodents. Cobras are also preyed upon by larger animals, including birds of prey, larger mammals, and even other snakes. King cobras, despite being the top snake predator, are sometimes preyed upon by mongoose, which are known for their resistance to snake venom. Conservation and threats. Many cobra species are facing threats from habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. In some areas, cobras are hunted for their skins, which are used in traditional medicine or to make leather products. Others are captured for the illegal pet trade or killed due to fear or misunderstanding of their role in the environment. Habitat destruction is also a significant threat to cobra populations. As forests and grasslands are cleared for agriculture or urban development, cobras lose the habitats they rely on for hunting and shelter. Several conservation efforts are underway to protect cobra species, including legal protections against hunting and trade. Public education campaigns are also helping to reduce fear and increase understanding of the importance of cobras in the ecosystem. Fascination with cobras in human culture. Cobras have held a special place in human culture for thousands of years. In ancient Egypt, the cobra was a symbol of royalty and protection, often depicted on the crowns of pharaohs. In Hindu mythology, cobras are associated with the god Shiva and are considered sacred animals. Despite their fearsome reputation, cobras have also been respected and revered for their power and beauty. However, their portrayal in media, especially in movies, has often exaggerated their danger to humans, contributing to fear and misunderstanding. Conclusion. The world of cobras is one of awe, fear, and fascination. From their potent venom to their incredible hunting abilities, these snakes have adapted to thrive in a variety of environments. As apex predators, they play a crucial role in their ecosystems, and their survival is essential to maintaining the balance of nature. While cobras may evoke fear in many people, they are also magnificent animals deserving of respect and protection. By understanding their biology, behavior, and importance to the environment, we can better appreciate the role they play in the natural world and work toward ensuring their survival for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey into the world of cobras. These majestic yet dangerous creatures remind us of the incredible diversity and complexity of nature. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating wildlife content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wild.